In the last video, we talked about how to create a new treatment or create a new patient from this button here, create treatment. So we saw there is 3 ways now with Skinxs2's new generation. Either you create quick treatment from scratch, so you just enter email address and first name and you record your treatment. We have these brand new features here. You can create a quick treatment with photo analysis, so you get a diagnostic of you. You upload a photo, you get a diagnostic and treatment recommendation. In less than 1 minute, you're good to go. And we got the traditional treatment with questionnaire. Now we're going to talk about a PDF report that is generated at the end of the treatment validation process, and you'll see why it's important. So let's go back to this patient. This is the woman we created a diagnostic from. Here I can go to diagnostic tab, I can see the photo, and this is the diagnostic that was generated for this patient based on the photo only. But we can see that we still haven't created a treatment here, no treatment created. So either I go back diagnostic, I click quick treatment, or I go to the create treatment tab, and automatically it's going to run again the algorithm based on the last recorded diagnostic. So there is only one for her, so this is the one that will be used. So let's add for her a lot of products. So I'm going to give her eye contour. She has a very dry skin, so I'm going to give her as well the booster, the Linear Skin Age, the Next Ultra O, the Next Ultra L for the morning, Next Ultra 3 for evening, and maybe I'm going to give her the Z and the UV as well. So a lot of products for her. I validate the treatment. Here in the summary pop-up, I've got the composition of the treatment and direction of use that are calculated according to the composition. You see there is multiple subsection. The morning routine, evening routine, how to apply each product, and at the end tips and tricks. I will talk about this in a few seconds. Here I can say the treatment has been paid and the treatment starts today. I can review the email that will be sent to her and create the treatment. So now it's done, and you see this button here, print label. We've seen it many times already, and this is a A4 page PDF that is generated automatically for each treatment created. So either I click here or I click OK. I go back to treatment history tab, got the same information here, and at the bottom I've got the same button, print label. If I click, a new tab opens with the PDF that has been generated. This is what we call the in-key list report, we can call it, or the instruction PDF. There are multiple parts here in this PDF that are very important. Top section is the summary of the product in the treatment. We've got the total price, the creation date, the duration of the face serum if there is one, duration of the eye serum if there is one, expiry date. And we can see here the different ingredients and the concentration. A second part here, we have the same direction of use, with the morning routine, evening routine, how to apply each of the products in a selection, and the serum action for the face. So we know that what we have created is going to treat a lot the oxidative stress, the skin appearance, the redness, dryness, and the pigmentation. So maybe for her, isoflavone wasn't enough. We could have added a little bit of arbutin, but it's just an example. And the bottom section, they are the stickers with the in-key list. So if I zoom in, that the doctor will be able to stick on the new boxes with the doctor name, with the patient name, and the detail of the treatment. So this is the big box for the Skinxs2 serum, where we have a morning and evening bottle. And we have the in-key list for the morning, in-key list for the evening. And same information, treatment ID, the date, the duration. And this is the eye contour serum in-key list. So the goal is that these stickers with the doctor name, you can put it on a box here, you can cut the bottom third of the page, and the top of the page, you fold it here along this line, you put it in an envelope, and you give it to your patient with a product. So you can print it here directly on a special page that we Uniaskin will provide. This is something that we need to talk more in detail later on during the year. So just to tell you, yeah, you can print labels from here, and also what we have added on the main page of the dashboard is the quick label print. This is more for your assistant, where, for example, you are in a consultation with your patient, you create the treatment, and then you tell the patient, go see my assistant, she's going to prepare the product for you. So the assistant just look here, the last created treatment, as if 3 minutes ago, this treatment was created, and she just has to generate the PDF and print it on the printer and prepare the product. And we can see here, we can go back a little bit into history. So if I print another one, it will be different. Here there was only one face serum, morning and evening, and only one stickers to print. So here it is, the quick label print for the A4 page report.